Yes, today I will be showing the face wash cleanser. Actually, that I bought this from the China, and I saw the same ad which is there in Flipkart as well as at Amazon. You can go and climb it. So I thought like making a video of it, and it is really amazing. I am using it from past 1 week, so I feel it is really good and it is helpful in removing the dead skins and all. So just wanted to show you all the things which is there. I've already started working on this. See, this is the cleanser. Like what you have to do is you have to use uh, any face wash cream. I'm using Himalaya neem face wash, and you need to put here. First you have to wet your face and apply generous amount of this face wash. Anything whatever you want to use you can use. And we have a charger here for this particular thing. So this is the plug. You have to pin this pin here. So this is just like USB cable. Okay, let me show this. See. So I have to plug here, so it will get charged, and the usage of this is very simple. Okay, I think all of you know how to use this. Just you have to press here, so it will start like this. Gently massage your skin. So preferably if it is a facial cleanser, you have to use for face. See, I feel it is really amazing, and it has a, so we can place this like this. Okay, I've opened it so it is not going. So this is the stand, and just for the time being I'm placing like this because it is open down like this. We have to place, and we have some more attachment which is there for massaging, and also this is a massager. This is another face cleanser. You can cleanse it and you can massage it, so it will remove all the dead skin which is there. Like this, it will look like this. I'll not open this particular thing. Let me open. Yes. Sponge that. This is a charger pin where we can insert the plug. So this is how it will work on your face. Okay. This is the charger. This is the box that I have unboxed it. So it was a very old one. I bought it from China. Just got a time to unpack it. That's why I'm showing here. So it is very useful. From 1 week I've started using it, and the results are amazing. I have very clear skin now. So you can also use it, and you can order from Amazon, order the Flipkart, anywhere in the marketplace. Also you'll get from Facebook. So go and get and try it and get a brighter skin.